The students are now introduced to a technology, and then we tell the client, you've got to explain it so we can understand it, and then we go to work. We work in teams, and our law students have a variety of backgrounds. Some are scientists, engineers, some are going to become patent attorneys perhaps. They bring their experiences and attitudes and approaches and put together a lot of research and then combine it in a report, written as well as oral, to the client about the intellectual property landscape, the regulatory landscape, market landscape.
Initially, we assess their patent status, and then we also ask them what their patent strategy is. The delivery depends on what the client wants and what their current status is.
I love working on the IP section. What we usually do is sit down with the client. Sometimes they'll have a patent already or have filed a patent application. Sometimes they have no idea what a patent is. We'll vet their invention, get some more information, get some more technical details.
Several things can happen. First of all, you could find a patent that is exactly what this client is doing. You could say, we found something, not exact, but it's close. It's pretty close. And the third thing is we could say, gee, there's not really anybody out there with anything close to this. That's rare.
The common misconception is that I invented this and it must be new. I've never seen it before. We have the students do a deeper dive into that intellectual property landscape.
We don't give them legal advice. We give them the whole patent portfolio, and then they would take that to an attorney and get legal advice from him. It's a critical part of the whole program. It's the major part of the whole program.
After doing this search, we found 15 patents that talk particularly about phase jitter, noise, and jitter. We found 0 that refer nanowalls and 6 that talk about phase lock loop.
Our adjunct faculty who leads the group are retired engineers, prolific inventors. They knew what it took to invent something. They knew what it took to get that invention through a product development process and into the market. We have a very nice combination of experience as well as expertise so that the students learn the approach and how best to satisfy a client. When they leave the law school, they've already satisfied a client.